Hello, dear traders. Now let's discuss market sentiment and ongoing trends in the New York session. The focal point is certainly the Russia-Ukraine talks in Turkey that are widely expected to give the market a faint hope for some peaceful solution. The anticipation of the positive outcome benefits the US stock market. Wall Street is trading firmly in the green. The major stock indexes closed with confident gains yesterday. The Nasdaq looked the strongest growth of 1.31%. The Dow Jones inched up 0.27%. The S&P 500 added 0.7%. To 4,592 points. The New York pre-market inspired optimism for a further advance of the S&P 500. Its corridor for today is defined between 4,520 and 4,610. Yesterday, the news on the Tesla stock split propelled a rally of the high-tech sector. Today, the hope for defusing geopolitical tensions could act as a market catalyst. The Russia-Ukraine talks lasted for 3 hours and the parties made encouraging statements. The delegates exchanged offers and brought up ratification of a new agreement on Ukraine's neutral status. Besides, the parties confirmed that they drew up enough materials for the meeting between the two presidents. By and large, the new round looks promising and could pave the way for a peace agreement. Such prospects will certainly calm down market jitters. On the economic front, the composite, the S&P and CS index, which is seen as a barometer of the US housing market, surpassed expectations. The index jumped to 19.1% in January after an aggravated 18.9% in December. The actual score beat the consensus for 18.4%. A conference board consumer confidence index and the job openings are due later today. The US dollar index slipped off 3-week highs on Monday and settled at 98.70. The greenback is trading in the red in the New York pre-market. Investors are taking a pause. The index is expected to trade in the corridor between 98.70 and 99.30. Today, the decline of the US dollar's index looks like consolidation and a pause before the next rally. The greenback's growth is propped up by the hawkish Fed and expectations of a rate hike by 50 basis points in May. The US currency could receive rash impetus from macroeconomic data. And this week, traders are related to monthly non-farm payrolls, inflation data and the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index. On the other hand, the prospects of a truce between Russia and Ukraine could take the shine off the US dollar as a safe haven asset. The USD CAD pays trading at nearly 1.2520 as the loonie is given in to its American rival. The currency pays drifting higher. Analysts define the corridor for today between 1.2450 and 1.2600. The technical picture suggests a further decline of the USD CAD pair, and today the loonie lacks support from high oil prices. Crude oil is heading for the psychological level of $100. Investors are shifting focus away from the commodity rally towards monetary policies of the US Fed and the Bank of Canada. Investors believe in aggressive tightening of the Federal Reserve. However, they doubt drastic measures of the Canadian regulator. Bitcoin edged down 0.83% from yesterday to 47,575. At the moment of recording this video, the crypto climbed to 47,900, heading for 48,000. All in all, the crypto market revived. Popular digital tokens seem to be regaining momentum. According to CoinGreca, the market capitalization of the crypto market expanded 6.7% in the last 24 hours to $2.26 trillion. The number one cryptocurrency still displays the correlation with the stock market that suggests a further uptrend of Bitcoin. If the token settles above 48,200, the door will open towards $52,000 in the near time. To sum up, our analysts indicate optimism on Wall Street on the back of decreasing geopolitical risks. Will market sentiment change following red-hot macroeconomic data? We will keep you updated. See you tomorrow.